up and running. They're all done. No leaks. Nothing. Good there. Alright. So it's definitely in the crank pulley, because the balancer is not doing it. So I'll pull that pulley off and see what we got. Right, so as you noticed, we have everything aligned, all up and in. We had a little issue earlier. The lower crank pulley was doing the Watusi, so we took everything apart, checked it all. Ends up the bolts had a shoulder on them, so the shoulder was keeping that thing from seating, so it was wobbling about. So we took the bolts out, put some nice thick washers on them, put them back in, got all our belts tensioned, and fire this baby up. Alright, so in the morning, I'm going to do a test drive, start on our fog light wiring, then away we go. Got it.